Welcome to another 101 Poetry Prompts. Back online today. My arm is well enough to draw again. Today's prompt is number 85, Back to the Drawing Board. We're in Indiana in 1973. I used to joke about it in my Memphis Monday days. It seemed like all my new ideas had already been right and truly made. In 73, after college in the Army, I worked at Mid-State Steel and Wire Factory. Working around those big machines, I found especially satisfactory. There I made a friend. His name was John. We pondered only topics unimportant, no religion or politics allowed, or anything otherwise discordant. So we mostly discussed mechanical things. John wanted to take up blacksmithing. But of course, I knew everything then, so I tended toward inventing. Then one day I told John about my $1 million invention. With several others in the lunchroom that day, I was bound to get some attention. On my day off, I had built some stilts that strapped to your boots and your legs and boots. I was excited, of course, and anticipated that with a patent, I'd be rolling in loot. The lunchtime erupted in mocking laughter. And it wasn't a supportive, happy cheer. John whispered, "You just invented drywall stilts. They've been around for 100 years. Okay, thanks for watching and hope to see you tomorrow.